Hi, I'm George Lunardo. I'm the quality manager here at Optometrics and part of the management team. I'd like to tell you about our recent certification to the 2015 version of the ISO 9001 quality standard. Both the old and new versions follow the Plan, Do, Check, Act model, but the new one is different in several ways. First, there's a big focus on management commitment, and that's okay. The management team here went all in, and we've taken to calling this our business management system instead of a quality management system. Second, while the 2008 version was process-oriented, the new one is more results-focused. There's also a greater emphasis on continual improvement, or Kaizen. Lastly, preventative action has been replaced and expanded by risk management. The new standard demands that we determine what could go wrong and have a plan in place. After our last audit to the 2008 version, we learned about the new standard, developed new tools and templates, and implemented them. We had multiple management review meetings and performed a complete set of internal audits. The whole process took a little over 7 months, and by the end of July, we had successfully attained ISO 9001 2015 certification, a historical milestone for the company. I'm grateful that the hard work of implementation is over and honored by the performance of our team. We learned a lot, and I've already put it into action. As a result of receiving this certification, our customers will benefit from improved responsiveness, a very high acceptance rate, and on-time delivery. We're interested in partnerships that result in success, and the future looks bright. If you're interested in doing business with us, please reach out to either our sales, customer service, or technical support teams. And if you'd like more information about our QMS or certification, you can contact me or a member of my team.